What is going on, my friend Garrett here? Inside this video, I'm going to reveal how you can do high-ticket affiliate marketing step by step, and I'm even going to reveal the best method to do it to see results as fast and as easy as possible. If you're someone that's brand new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you've been struggling to make those bigger priced commissions to really hit your income goal as fast as possible, you want to pay close attention to this entire video. Now you can see on the screen right here that this is actually a high ticket commission that I was able to generate recently. This is $5,000 that hit my bank account with one single referral. Okay, you can see right here that I was able to generate a $2,000 commission very, very simply, just using the method that I'm about to reveal to you. Okay. Now, this method works even if you're brand new, if you have no tech skills, if you only have about an hour a day of free time, you can literally plug into this proven, duplicatable system, this process that I'm about to share with you in just a second, and you can start to create results. Now, if I go into another one of my accounts, you can see that it's not just, that one affiliate program. I'm doing this in multiple different affiliate programs and accounts. You can see right here, total paid is $26,136.40. Ready to pay. Okay, this should hit my bank account today. Okay, this is $1,280 and I still have money coming. This is another account, okay, over $27,000 paid. So again, as you pay close attention to this entire video, you're learning from someone that's not just, claiming, oh, this method works. A lot of people on YouTube, they're just kind of, they're lying basically, because I've met a lot of these people and I've seen behind the scenes and they're not actually getting results. So again, when you follow what I'm going to share with you, you can start to create some absolutely amazing results. So what am I going to cover in this step-by-step video? Well, here's what I'm going to share. Number one is we're going to understand how a high-ticket affiliate business actually works. A lot of people, they go out there, they're just blindly trying to spam their links everywhere, or they're just trying to do outdated methods that don't actually work in this year alone, and they're wondering why they're struggling. Well, I'm going to break down exactly how this business type works. So when you go out there and you start to apply what you're going to learn over the course of this video, you can feel confident that the results are going to come. Step two is I'm going to share how to find a high ticket affiliate system so you don't have to sell yourself. A lot of people hate selling. I know I don't really like selling. It's a little bit icky to kind of just convince people to do stuff. I'm going to share how you can literally have all this selling and telling done for you, okay? So all you have to do is focus on step three, okay? Now, step three is basically you want to choose 1 to 2 traffic strategies and get visitors to that done-for-you sales funnel, okay? That done-for-you affiliate system. I'm going to break down much more detail. How do you choose the right traffic strategy? There's a lot of people that are just confused. I know I was. When I first got started online 5 years ago or so, I was totally overwhelmed. So many people were talking about you need traffic or eyeballs to an offer, but there's so many to choose from. How do you actually decide based on your own personality type, based on your own situation? I'm going to cover some key qualities and principles you need to keep in mind when you go to choose that traffic strategy. And then step 4 is make money. Okay, so once you follow the first 3 steps, you can predictably and consistently make money. Maybe you want to quit a job. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you just want enough money coming in to do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with whenever you want. Well, I'm going to share how to make that a reality, how to go from following other people online that are promising you a dream, but actually living a nightmare. I'm going to pull back the curtain and share with you how to actually do this. And step 5 is repeat step 3 every day. Okay, so once we set all this up, all you have to do is get traffic to one link, and the link is going to do all the rest of the work for you, as you'll see as you keep watching. Now, before I dive into more information, I will share, there's a link directly below this video to a free in-depth training. This video is going to share a lot of information, but I can't share it all, obviously, in this one YouTube video. Be sure you go down below, get access to that so you can watch and learn how to literally apply what I'm about to share with you. So without further ado, step one is understanding how a high ticket affiliate business works. Now I have a visual representation right here. Now this is how it really works, and I want to break this down step by simple step. Okay, so you can see right here that there's could be, a lot of moving pieces. You could see this and say, hey, this is actually a lot of stuff going on. But what you want to realize, the good news is this right here. Okay, this part of the process is going to be done for you. Okay, totally done for you. I'm going to share with you how to use a system, okay, which is just a machinery, if you will, that's working. The gears are going while you're sleeping, while you're relaxing on your ideal vacation spot. The system is still churning out high ticket payouts, high ticket commissions into your bank account for you. Okay, so let me go ahead and erase this. Now, what you want to understand is the pieces of this business are as follows. One is you get traffic. Okay, now there's a lot of places to get traffic: Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. Again, that's step number 2, I believe, or number 3. Okay, so once you understand, it's going to be step number 3. I'm going to cover that in more detail in just a little bit. But what we want to do is we want to send it to a capture page. Okay. Now, a lot of people online, what they're doing is they're going out there, they're getting their link, their affiliate link, and usually it's just going right to the sales page. Okay, so their affiliate link, they're sending it right here. Okay, so they're going from here to here. Now, this is a problem. Okay, you do not want to do that because most people don't buy right away. So if you're sending traffic right to your sales page and you're not making money, it's because you're missing a step. Okay, now the step we're missing is we need to first send it to a capture page. Now, the capture page is basically going to collect your prospect's email address. And I want to share with you an example of a capture page. So this right here is a capture page that you can actually get done for you. Okay, because I'm going to share with you in this video how you can literally have all these pieces of a high ticket affiliate marketing business done for you, so you can just hit the ground running and start to make money. Okay, because once you set up this system, all you have to do is drive traffic, which I'll share more in just a little bit. Okay, so basically you can see right here, this is a capture page. What happens is they click this button. When they put in their email, okay, the prospect puts their best email in, they click this button. What happens is now they get the information, okay, the free training, but also they get added to our email list. Okay, now an email list is simply a list of email addresses of prospects that have put in their email. So these are targeted leads. And what happens is, what you can do is you can set up automated follow-up emails that start going out one at a time, one per day on average, and it redirects them back to the sales page. Okay, so you can see it's going to send them back to the sales page. And after a certain amount of exposures, okay, often it takes up to 7 or more, about 7 to 12 times for someone to see a sales page for them to make a buying decision. So what we're doing by adding them first to the capture page, okay, then the email list, then these follow-up emails that send them back to the sales page, now we're basically accomplishing the goal and we're able to make sales. Okay, but you're probably wondering how exactly, right? How exactly do you make these higher payouts? Because a lot of people, they're promoting products, they're getting paid very little itsy bitsy, kind of teeny weeny commissions, right? $50 here, $75 there. That's going to take you a massive amount of sales. So with high ticket affiliate marketing, the beautiful thing about this is you can literally, as you can see here, make one commission, one sale, one referral, and you could get paid $5,000 or more. Okay, so what's your income goal? As you're watching this video very, very closely, I want you to take a second and I want you to think about what your income goal is. In fact, if you even want to comment it under this video, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'd love to read it. What is your specific income goal? It's very important to be clear. You don't just want to say, I want to make some money, I want to make more money, because if you don't know exactly how much money you want to make, you're not going to know how much action, you're not going to know what you need to do. So what specifically is your monthly income goal? Okay, maybe it's $10,000. Maybe you're watching this video and you said, if I made $10,000 a month, that would change my life. Okay, well, just 2 referrals a month is going to hit that goal at the $5,000 commission level. Okay, 2 referrals. That's why I love high ticket affiliate marketing. So that's how this works. So now let's go deeper into the best method, right? Because this 5-step process, this method is what I believe to be the best after trying dozens over the years. So like I said, you want to find a high ticket affiliate system so you don't have to sell yourself. A lot of people, they're trying to go out there, they're creating the capture pages themselves. They're trying to figure out how to write all this copy and these words. But the problem is often they're not good at sales, okay? Sales takes a long time to get good. You got to understand what words to use to compel people to buy, what to avoid saying so you don't turn people off, right? You get one chance when they see your capture page, and they're either going to put their email in or they're not. A lot of people are trying to create their own follow-up emails, and they don't know what to write. They don't know how to actually convince people to click the link in the email and actually check out the sales page, okay? So there's a lot of pieces. So what I recommend you do is always use a system. A system is a proven process that's been, designed to work and make you money. So at the link below, when you actually watch that free training, you're going to learn how to plug in to my #1 recommended affiliate system. And that affiliate system gives you capture pages. It gives you a high converting sales video and page to promote. It gives you follow-up emails that are already written that will start going out for you when you get someone to put their email into your done for you capture page, and it pays you these higher price commissions. Okay, so that's how you can find a good high ticket affiliate system to promote. I've already done the hard work of all the research and testing and investing my hard-earned money into different programs that they promise these amazing results. You get in, you don't actually get results, or there's no community, there's no help. The link below shares, again, my #1 recommended system. So once you plug into that system, you watch that free training, you get started. The next step is you want to choose 1 to 2 traffic strategies and get visitors to your sales funnel. So now that you already have the system, which gives you the sales funnel, now you want to choose 1 to 2 traffic strategies. Another mistake a lot of people are making when it comes to affiliate marketing, and again, all these mistakes I've made, which is why I can share this and relate, is you probably may be thinking that the more traffic platforms you're using, okay, the more social media sites you're actually promoting on, the better. Maybe you think, oh, if I'm on Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Craigslist, if I'm using all these traffic sources, that's going to be way more traffic, and that's going to give me a lot more results. But really, this is a wrong way to think, okay? Because really the riches are in the niches, okay? The riches are in focusing on 1, 2 max traffic strategies to start to get results, okay? You only have a limited amount of time, and if you're working a job, maybe you have a family, you have even less time, and you really want to focus on going deeper into a few rather than spreading yourself out so thin that you don't master any of them. So for example, for me, I was always on YouTube, okay? I was always watching funny videos, comedy, stand-up comedy, podcasts, other people's training videos. So for me, it made sense to create YouTube videos, okay? I mainly just use YouTube to make a multiple 6-figure online income, okay? So you can literally just focus on 1. Maybe you're on Facebook all the time, right? Maybe you love being on Facebook, you're scrolling, watching, different, things in your news feed. Start with Facebook. Start learning how to market on Facebook. Now, I have a lot of videos on my channel where I get into more strategies on traffic and things like that, but start with 1, okay? 2 max as you're growing. Instagram, okay? Maybe you're on Instagram. Maybe you love TikTok, okay, or blogging. Maybe you love to write. You can actually create a blog and start to share content in a specific niche, okay, health, wealth, relationships. There's tons of different categories of niches you can choose. Start to create content. Now, if you don't know how to do this, right, like I said, I have other trainings, but maybe you don't know how to actually do this. Model what's already working, okay? So if you see someone on Facebook that's getting a lot of engagement, they're getting a lot of sales, what are they doing? Look at their profile, look at their pictures they're sharing, the ads they're posting, the headlines, and start to replicate that yourself. Now, you don't want to just blatantly copy and paste it on your profile, but start to model it, okay? Start to become like that person, because what they're doing is working. Success leaves clues, right? So you can see what people are doing, and you can start to do something similar. And as you do that, okay, all you want to do is get traffic and send it directly to that capture page, okay? Because once you set this up, okay, you will start to make money. Once you have a good system in place that does the selling and telling for you, okay, you will start to make higher payouts. You will start to make $500, $1,000, even $5,000 per commission, especially if you use what I share at the link in that free training below. And as you do that, now what you want to do is repeat step 3 every day. Step 3 is to get traffic. Okay, the great thing about affiliate marketing when it comes to using a system that's high ticket is all you have to do, because this is already set up, this is already created. Okay, actually, okay, this right here, okay, is all done for you. Once you set up your system, okay, you have your affiliate link, all you have to do is focus on this part right here, okay, get traffic. That's all you have to do, and you can do that in as little as 30 minutes a day. How long does it take to make a post on Facebook, right? How long does it actually take to do a Twitter status update, okay, and include an affiliate link? Not long, right? Not long at all. That's why I work about an hour a day, and then I go to the beach, because all this is done for me, okay? All this right here, that's all done for me. I just get traffic. And for me, I do YouTube. I do a simple YouTube video. I post it. People go to the link below. They watch the video. They get started, and I'm able to make, okay, money like clockwork. Okay, now I'm not sharing this to brag or to impress you, but to impress upon you that you can do this too. Okay, I was a struggling broke waiter. I had dropped out of college. I had no plan B. I had no experience in selling or affiliate marketing or anything like this. I came across someone's video on YouTube. I resonated with this person. I just, I could tell this person was sincere. I went to the link under their video. I watched their training. I watched that in-depth video. I made a decision to get started. Okay, I didn't have a lot of money at the time. I found the money. I got started. And in a very short period of time, about 30 days after I made that decision, I was able to quit my freaking job, the job that I hated, go full-time from home, and do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. And it's been a magical journey. I'm currently in Brazil right now. I'm from America, the United States. I'm in Brazil right now, traveling, enjoying the beautiful beaches. It's summertime at the time of recording this video. I'm going to be traveling probably Thailand soon. It's absolutely incredible. It's not too good to be true, and you can do this, okay? So go down below, check out those links. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And also comment below your income goal per month. I'd love to read that. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.